Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create and set up your online shop on Itematlas. Start by opening your browser and visiting itematlas.chk.onl. Click Create Store or Sign Up to begin the process. You will be required to enter your name and email address, which will be used to verify your new store account. This sign-up process helps ensure that every seller on the platform is real and traceable. Once the code is sent to your inbox, copy it and paste it into the verification field. Next, fill out your profile details including your name, store information, and contact address. Now choose your store web address. Choose carefully. Once created, this cannot be changed later. After this, you'll need to complete a verification for store approval. Upload a government-issued photo and submit. If your documents are automatically approved, your shop will activate immediately. With your store enabled, the next step is payment configuration. Open the payment settings and review the available options. For sellers who prefer door-to-door transactions, you can also activate cash on delivery, COD, under manual payments with just one click. If you want your buyers to pay online, you can enable Stripe once your onboarding verification is complete, or any other payment method like PayPal, Paystack, and so on. Now let's set up shipping. Go to the Shipping tab, open Location, and begin creating regions where your store will deliver to. You have the flexibility to assign different delivery prices for each region based on factors such as distance, courier availability, or overall logistics cost. By setting region-specific shipping rates, you can ensure pricing remains fair and sustainable for both your business and your customers. Additionally, you can choose to enable free shipping, which is a powerful marketing strategy. Studies have shown that offering free delivery significantly increases customer conversions. Before adding products, it is important to organize your store category list. Navigate to products categories and create the category names that relate to the items you plan to sell. This helps customers browse and find products easily once your store goes live. Next, let's upload your first product to your store. Start by navigating to Products. All products, add new. This will open the product setup page, where you can begin entering your product details. Fill in the product title, selling price, available stock quantity, and discount if you are offering any promotional pricing. Don't forget to add a SKU, which helps you track and manage each product efficiently. To make inventory tracking easier, you can also enable inventory management. This feature ensures that your stock levels update automatically with every order placed, helping you keep your store accurate and up to date. Now it's time to write a compelling product description and upload product images. Use clear, high-quality photos that show the product from different angles. Good visuals help build trust and can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. Make sure the main image is sharp and attractive. This is what customers will see first. If your product comes in multiple colors, sizes, or styles, add these options under the Variants section so buyers can easily choose what suits them. Lastly, don't forget to fill in your SEO keywords and product description. This helps your product appear in search results, both within your store and on external search engines like Google. Use clear, relevant keywords that a buyer might type when looking for your product. Once done, you are almost ready to go live. Your store is now fully active, configured, and ready to start receiving real customers. Before you start promoting your store, we recommend placing a test order. This helps you confirm that everything, from product display to checkout and payment, is working exactly as it should. It's a quick step that gives you peace of mind and helps you experience what your future customers will see. And that's it. Your online store is officially ready to welcome shoppers. Thank you for watching and following along. Your online business journey starts right now, and we're excited to see where it takes you. Go get those sales.